Halloween is here, but let's be real. Not everyone has the time to prepare a full costume. Work, school, life, it happens. But here's the cool part. What if I told you that you could create your own Halloween shirt in just a few minutes? Using AI. That means no last-minute panic, no boring store-bought costumes, just a totally unique, one-of-a-kind spooky design that you made yourself. Think about it, we've all been there. It's October 31st and you don't have a costume. The stores are sold out or everything left looks cheap. Instead of stressing, here's what I did. I checked out the top trending Halloween t-shirt designs on Google for inspiration. And that's when it hit me. Why not create my own version using AI? That way I could skip the costume drama and still show up in something fun, unique, and Halloween ready. To get started, I looked through Etsy, because let's face it, that's where a lot of Halloween shirt trends start. I noticed what's selling. Retro bubble fonts with spooky slogans. Cute but creepy characters like black cats, ghosts, and pumpkins. Grunge textures and vintage Halloween vibes. Witty movie character designs. These gave me inspiration, but instead of copying, I used them as a guide for what people actually like. Here's where AI comes in. I opened ChatGPT to help me craft the perfect prompts. For example, I uploaded this movie character design and asked ChatGPT to generate a detailed prompt that would allow me to redesign it. Once the prompt is provided, copy it and proceed to your preferred AI image generating tool. In my case, I'll use ChatGPT. First, make sure to click the plus icon, then select Create Image. After that, go ahead and paste the prompt and click OK. And here's the design it generated. It looks good to me. The concept might not be very unique, but the design itself is definitely one of a kind. You can also customize your own preferred characters if you want. Next is this grunge texture design with vintage Halloween vibes. We'll follow the same process by asking ChatGPT to generate a detailed prompt so we can recreate the design. This time, let's try using Nano Banana to generate our design. Now paste the prompt and let's check out the result. Looks pretty good. It totally gives off that Etsy vibe. Next up, let's recreate this cool-looking design that features 4 cats. We'll follow the same process. Ask ChatGPT to generate a detailed prompt so we can make something similar. Now, copy the prompt that it provided. This time, let's try generating an image using Midjourney. It's a paid AI tool for creating both images and videos. Just paste your prompt in and hit enter. It's quick and will generate 4 images at once, giving us plenty of options to choose from. All 4 images turned out great, but I'm going to go with this one. It's got that unique retro vibe and really vibrant colors. For our last one, we'll be working on this design with retro bubble fonts and spooky slogans. We'll follow the same steps as before. Upload the image and ask ChatGPT to generate a prompt that will help us create a design similar to our reference. Copy the prompt and let's generate another image in ChatGPT. Just open a new chat, click Create Image, and paste your prompt in. The design looks awesome. Everything feels nicely balanced and it would look perfect on a shirt. And if you want to print your designs, head over to our website, transfersuperstars.com. We offer different services to help you print your design. For gang sheet transfers, under the gang sheet section, click on DTF Gang Sheet Builder. Here you can choose how your gang sheet will be. Sizes range from 22 by 12 to 22 by 100. You can also select how many copies you want to order. Once you're set, click Build Your DTF Gang Sheet. When prompted, click on Start a Brand New Gang Sheet. Upload your image. Once done, click on it to open the settings. Since our image is too small, we need to resize it first. Then click on Edit Image to access this new feature on our website. As you can see, there are 5 tools here: Remove Background, Upscale Quality, Halftone, Crop, and Color tools. For now, let's remove the background. It automatically cropped our design. Next, we'll do the upscale quality. Once done, click Apply, and it will automatically return to the gang sheet builder. Adjust the height and position for it to fit in the gang sheet. Finalize the size of your image based on your preference. Finally, click Save, and then Add to Cart.
We got the print ready. Now let's take a closer look to see how it turned out. Alright guys, it looks clean. I honestly would see this on any type of Etsy shirt out right now. It looks nice, and I honestly do have 4 cats. Call me and my wife a crazy cat family, but we love them all to death. And honestly, this does give out at home. They're definitely not the right colors of them, but it looks nice either way. I honestly love the way it came out, though. You can see how crisp it came out too, even on the edges. Nothing that came out blurry. This is gonna come out really, really nice, guys, okay? All right, let's get started. For this one, we're gonna be using this crisp white Smart Blank Style 402. It's simple, it's solid, and always dependable. And you guys can find the link up in the description below. And for pressing, we're gonna be using the Delclynee Auto 15x15. And if you guys haven't already checked out our video, go check it out now for any of the specs. We will put the link in the description, as well as also the link in the description where you guys can find this thing, okay? But all in all, let's fire it up and get to work. All right, guys, let's get started here. I already have it on its laser placement because I did not set up any lines already previously, so I might as well just have it set up for you guys. I am working on just hitting up on the end of the collar and then aligning it perfectly from there, guys. We're just gonna go from corner to corner, getting it perfectly lined up. I like this one a lot because it doesn't have a lot of grip, but at least enough so you don't have to worry about it sliding everywhere. Okay, this definitely looks good. I like it. Awesome. And then now for our graphic, we are going to go to the end of the graphic just to kind of make sure we have a good point, okay? We're going to do it from both ends. Even though this doesn't really reach the end, we are just going to try to go from there. I don't know if you guys noticed, but it is a very much oversized of where we usually set it. So what we're going to do is actually see if we could first set this point up correctly. Awesome. Okay. And then we're going to put some heat resistant tape, making sure that each point is well adjusted and looks nice. So now we can turn this off and bring this up a lot closer. So now it has a full surface to be on. while it's straight. All right. That looks good. Now this press is set for 7 seconds. Let's see if that was the most accurate type of pressure. We're at 17 pounds of pressure. We could have turned it up a little bit higher, but just for the sake of this, I think we're good. This is a hot and cold peel. For the fact that we have these, most likely it's going to be a cold peel. Oof. Okay. Wow, looks nice. Okay, let's add some texture towards it. Kind of want to give it more of like a, like it's on a wood kind of texture. But it looks clean, guys. It looks nice. This one gave it 19 pounds of pressure. A little bit different, but I love it. We're still getting the job done. That was a 1 peel, easy. Awesome. Oh, not just yet. Let's take a closer look at it over here. All right, guys, they look really nice. It honestly came out so well. That added texture gave it so much more like depth. I don't know if you could hear that. It gives it a nice added feel. It looks clean, guys. This is something I could definitely see myself wearing. Just me and the wife, you know. Something cutesy, you know, one of those little parties. It looks cool, bro. I like it, especially since we have 4 cats. If it was all my cats' colors, this would definitely be a lot more cleaner. But yeah, I don't know. I definitely like it. It's a good one. It's definitely a good one. But awesome. We used 3 different AI platforms to create some killer Halloween designs. They brought one onto our gang sheet builder to make it DTF ready, crisp, breathable, and perfect for pressing onto a clean smart blanks tee. And if you're on the hunt for a reliable DTF supplier, we've got everything you guys need, whether you're just starting out or ready to take your prints to the next level. And if you guys enjoyed this video or just learned something new, don't forget to drop a like, leave a comment, and hit that subscribe button so don't miss out what's coming on next. I'll catch you guys on the next one.